Okay, my friends on YouTube, uh, this picture right here is a video that Shogun-Jimi was talking about Eloy Escagedo from Escagedo We're Working. And this is what Shogun-Jimi said. Trying to find it.
Eloy's channel, and here's his intro video.
Escagedo Woodworking. Subscribe.
Eloy's channel is always fun and different, as he has made a skull chair, a skull ring, a skull wallet, and even the evil skull book of spells.
I think Shogun-Jimi was talking a little bit too much about Escaledo. So Escagedo, I said the wrong name, Escagedo. And Escagedo said something to Jimmy. And I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, that stuff is gonna hit the fan soon. Let's check what Escagedo says about Jimmy Shogun Jimmy. Here you go. Trying to get both sides.
Oh, hey. I'm working on a project here, skull. So there's this cat by the name of Shogun-Jimi, and over on his channel, he put out a video. The guy dogged me real bad. He says that all I do is skull stuff, and the guy's crazy. When people make preposterous claims, you either face them or you go ahead and back away. Essentially, I'm not having it. People start spreading lies and you don't stop it, it can get out of hand. So I'm calling you out, Shogun-Jimi.
There you go. You call them out.
I am calling you out, Jimmy. I'm calling you out, Shogun-Jimi.
You don't look happy.
You got to build yourself something skull-themed.
There you go. You guys got to check this out. Something is going down. I don't know when it is, but Escagedo called Shogun-Jimi out. So let's see what happened. These guys, they both geniuses, and we're working. They have really very nice projects. You guys should go and subscribe to their channels and check their video out. They're very good guys. I want to see the end of this, but I want you guys to check this video out. Subscribe to both of their channels. They're amazing people. Check it out. Thank you very much, and God bless. That's my buddy right there.